Ladies and gentlemen, my video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called 2QZ3. 2QZ3 is a ransomware that may affect Windows computers, and my video is only for the educational purposes, though I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In the video I will just show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. So before the ransomware attack, you are able to open your files without troubles, but regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the computer system, this 2QZ3 ransomware may be easily injected into the device. So then very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data because of this 2QZ3 ransomware. So the ransomware is called like that because it encrypts files and appends this 2QZ3 extension to the file names. So it's impossible to use the files. The ransomware then tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. However, paying the ransom is surely not a good idea because this does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money for nothing. So don't waste the money, don't pay the ransom. What I recommend you to urgently do is to remove this ransomware with the help of a reliable antivirus program. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. However, to download Combo Cleaner, you will first of all need to use your Internet Explorer browser, because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts could be damaged by that ransomware. So go to the page combocleaner.com through your Internet Explorer browser, use this green download button, install the software, then start the program and begin researching and investigating your computer. So then the scanning will begin by Combo Cleaner and the program will begin detecting certain threats already. I would like to emphasize your attention on the fact that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. Its anti-ransomware feature helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data, but it does not decrypt files. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of all the threats. You will be able to know their locations. Consider upgrading to premium license, which will help you to always have your data protected from further ransomware attacks. Also, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to recover your data.